Hello, we are doing the standard algorithm 483 times 5. So we are going to do the 5 times 3, 5 times 8, 5 times 4, carrying as we go. So let's go ahead and get started. And I encourage you to pause the video and try the steps on your own and then check in because you will learn more that way. We're going to start right to left. So 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. We can't fit all of that down here. We need to carry. The 1 goes above into the tens place, and the 5 comes down into the ones place. There's our 15. Next, we're going to do 5 times 8. But remember, you have to add that 1 in. So go ahead and try that. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. It can't all fit, so we need to carry 41. Last but not least, we have the purple. So we're going to do 5 times 4. And then just add that 4. Nowhere to carry since we're finished, so you can put it all down here. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So our final answer is 2,415.